Former Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Education R.K. Ranjan handed over an ambulance to all Loktak Lake Area Fishers Union Manipur Allafum Thanga to serve the people of Champu Kangpok floating village in Loktak Lake. The handing over ceremony was held at Thanga Chinglak Community Hall. Local leaders, members of Allafum and residents of Thanga attended the program. The ambulance was procured under 2023-24 MP Local Area Development Fund exclusively for the fisher community that relies on Loktak Lake for their livelihood. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Ranjan said the ambulance aims to ease the hardships faced by fishers during emergencies, including drowning incidents in Loktak Lake during bad weather, and to assist pregnant women in reaching hospitals on time. He stated that the ambulance is equipped with all essential emergency medical facilities costing over 20 lakh rupees. He urged the community to use it properly, keeping in mind that it will help save lives during critical times. He further assured that efforts will be made to provide bio-toilets and drinking water facilities to Champu Kangpok floating village after discussions with concerned authorities. He also announced plans to provide a garbage e-rickshaw for Thanga to address waste management issues. Allafum Secretary Oinam Ranjan expressed gratitude to the ex-MP for his contribution, stating that the ambulance will significantly benefit the fisher community who often face life-threatening risks while fishing in Loktak Lake.
Kampuse ayun na Hawaii kenu to ni MP karpe roida karangre ra kadai dikino mirul minupi ma hi da koraga yodra dum mapun simang hibagi wali liyo adu lungai ti adagi irak na ka sibu guma kenu to mayam thena base masi adu de Allafum si ka tawraga Allafum na dai to lawraga ambulance purposefully maram sana sinaba Numisi tata si dokter ke mayam der kusu mazabani fazare sinu nabiro ana yegna dulu hona biro adu betunga isoda sala bati sagi bio toilet tune adu drinking water kusine masih masuk implement tabuna ba tabje ge hai mayam